Hey, hey, no, 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 no weapon formed against me shall ever prosper. God is on my side, now and forevermore. Oh, yeah. When you're on the right path, people will try to come at you, but our Father will cover us with His blood, the blood of Jesus Christ. He'll fight our battle.